Hi, this is Derek Wilson with CDO Advisors, and I want to show you how we help companies take Excel data, CSV files, existing data sets that they already have, and instead of using Excel and emailing that around to different people, convert that into an automated online dashboard. So the way this works is we use your existing data, and then we take that, we put it into Microsoft's Power BI platform, which is a best-in-class data visualization and analytics solution, and we build out reporting, publish it out to the Power BI cloud service, and then you can literally get to your data from your computer, your tablet, or your phone. So who does this solution work best for? We work with companies of all sizes, but typically we work with our Quickstart solutions with companies that are looking to take their existing Excel or CSV files and are frustrated by their current level of reporting. They'd like to get better information into the hands of their management team that everybody can understand and make better decisions with. We also put this together because a lot of people think an analytics solution is very expensive and they don't have the capital to hire consultants and get a project done. But if you need better reporting in weeks, not months, for a fixed cost, that's exactly what we built this for. So our base package, we take one of your Excel files, we'll work with you to make sure it fits our accelerator Quickstart. And if it does, in 4 weeks or less, we will take your Excel file, stand up a Power BI environment. So let's take a look at how this works. We take an Excel data file, and then we convert that into a Power BI dashboard. As you can see here, this dashboard is built to highlight the fundamentals of what we can do quickly within Power BI and let you see how Excel works versus what we can do once you have it into the Power BI environment. This is a data set that has data from 2010 to 2017. There's different ways to do the date sliders, but you can see I'm dynamically changing that from 2012 to 2014, and all of my data is changing here. If I want to look at comparisons from 2014, 15, and 16, right, I can drill down into that, and it's actually going to give me additional information. Right, so now I can see by quarter. If I click on that again, it'll go down to the actual day. I can drill back up. I can change my, if I only want to compare 2 years, I can do that. So all of this is interactive. Everything that you see here that I'm showing you is exactly how the tool works. If I've got two different sales channels, an online and offline. So if I click on online, it will sort all of my data down to what was online sales versus what was offline. I can see the region, the units sold. Just clicking on it again turns it off. Like here, if I go down to Australia, what did I sell in Australia? Well, this dark bar is representing the total sales for Australia in 2015-16. This is the number of orders that were placed. So in 2015, we had 512. And then in 2016, we had 514. Again, very easy interactively to go through and look at a lot of your information quickly to do self-service analytics. The other thing that this one has built into it that, again, out of the box we can do is if I wanted to know serial, I can right click and there's a drill through option. So I can actually drill through and see what are the actual orders that made up all of those serial sales, what the region was. It's interactive. I can sort it by default, right? I could sort it by units sold. And again, end user experience is exactly what you would be able to do with the tool once we take your Excel data and push it up into Power BI. There's KPIs. So in this case, these are just some different examples of how we can do it, right? So we can put things out there and actually take all of that data and aggregate it up into different types of KPIs to give you an overall view of your data and your business, as well as mapping functionality. So if you've got information on a latitude and longitude, or at least at a city state, we can build out maps. So if I wanted to look here at Europe, if I click on my Europe, it's actually going to give me Europe, the country, and how many orders. And all of that information's there. And if I needed to, I could export that data out to a CSV file and load it back into Excel if I needed to send it to somebody and have them work on it. So very quickly, you can take a basic Excel file and we stand up your environment, we get everything ready to go, and push it out into Power BI to enable self-service analytics for your team. Like I said, the base package that we do, and that's why we do it, because a lot of people don't really understand, what all is involved and how long it really takes. So we've put together a $5,000 Quickstart that we can go in, stand up your environment, get some users on it, and transform your Excel data into an online dashboard. So if you're interested in learning more, please reach out. Again, my name is Derek Wilson with CDO Advisors. We'd love to help you on your transformation to being a more data-driven business.